In this video, we will show the best wine coolers available to buy. At number 10. JERN Wine Bag Beer Bottle Cooler. Keep these bags in the freezer and they become instant coolers for not only wine, but champagne, vodkas, beer, or whatever other beverages you want to keep chilled. At number 9. White Westinghouse Wine Cooler. It is single zone with gross capacity 115 LTRs and net capacity 95 LTRs, wine storage 33 bottle 750 milliliters, 6 pulling wooden shelves. It has a reversible door, security lock and key. At number 8. King International Stainless Steel Cooler. This exquisitely designed double-wall wine cooler that stands out from rest, as it maintains cool temperature for long and ideal for wine or beer or champagne. At number 7. Update International Acrylic Wine Cooler. This cooler acts as an insulator, keeping its contents cool and the wine tasting as fresh as the first glass. It helps to maintain the correct wine temperature. At number 6. Carysil Wine Chiller. It has 15-bottle red wine capacity 46L with mechanical control, compressor cooling and multi-purpose use. At number 5. Culinair Thermoelectric Wine Cooler. It has 16-bottle capacity. Thermoelectric technology. Glass door for displaying the best bottles of wine. Adjustable feet for leveling to eliminate vibrations. At number 4. Kaff Freestanding Wine Cooler. It can accommodate 8 wine bottles. It's hard to imagine a bar without this compact, single-temperature wine cooler with warm lights and wooden shelves. At number 3. SPT Dual Zone Thermoelectric Wine Cooler. It has double pane insulated glass door. Stylish design will complement any kitchen or entertainment area. Simple to use digital controls with LED display. At number 2. Sunpentown Slim Wine Cooler. This slim wine cooler is the perfect solution for those wine lovers with a limited space. Fits up to 12 standard bottles. At number 1. Whynter Thermoelectric Wine Cooler. It is made from metal material with thermoelectric cooling system. It has 20 wine bottle capacity with adjustable shelves.